The world of reality television has always thrived on drama, transformation, and personal journeys that touch millions of viewers across the globe. TLC's hit show 1000 LB Sisters has become one of the most talked about series in the last few years, giving fans a deep dive into the emotional, physical, and personal struggles of Tammy Slaton and her sister Amy. As the show built its dedicated audience season after season, viewers grew emotionally invested in both the triumphs and the setbacks that the sisters endured. Now, with whispers and speculation spreading online about whether the series may have reached its end, Tammy Slaton herself has decided to address the mounting questions regarding the fate of Season 8. Her response has both reassured and stirred curiosity among fans who have been anxiously awaiting updates. For months, fans across social media platforms have been posting speculation about the show's future. Many have pointed out that TLC has not made any official announcement about 1000 LB Sisters being renewed for Season 8, while others have suggested that the network might quietly end the series after Season 7. Concerns escalated when Tammy and Amy's social media updates became less frequent, and viewers noted a lack of behind-the-scenes hints about filming. In the age of reality TV, where stars often tease projects and upcoming episodes, silence can sometimes speak louder than words. This silence is what initially sent the fandom into overdrive. Rumors took on a life of their own as TikTok, Reddit, and fan pages dedicated to the show began buzzing with theories. Some speculated that Tammy was no longer interested in continuing her story on camera due to the immense pressures of being scrutinized. Others wondered whether TLC had pulled the plug, pointing to the costs of production, legal complications, or even interpersonal conflicts between the cast and the crew. A handful of fans even speculated that Tammy's dramatic weight loss journey, which has already seen her shed an incredible amount of pounds, might mean the show has reached a natural end, since the transformation storyline that initially drew millions might not carry the same hook it once did. But now, Tammy Slaton has spoken out directly, breaking her silence and finally addressing the storm of speculation. In a candid update shared on social media, Tammy acknowledged the flood of questions she had been receiving about the fate of 1000 LB Sisters. Her words came across as both appreciative and clarifying. "Y'all been blowing up my messages asking about Season 8, she began. "I can't say too much right now, but don't worry, it's not over yet. I promise you guys haven't seen the last of me." With this statement, Tammy effectively confirmed that fans still have more to look forward to, though she carefully avoided revealing the exact nature of the next chapter or any official release dates. Her words were enough to breathe fresh life into the fandom's enthusiasm. Immediately, fans flooded the comment sections with supportive messages, expressing their relief that the show was not cancelled. "Girl, don't scare us like that, we need Season 8. One fan wrote. Another added, "We've watched you come so far, Tammy. We want to see you happy, healthy, and living your best life. Please keep letting us in." The overwhelming wave of positivity highlighted just how deeply invested the public has become in Tammy's transformation and resilience. It's not the first time speculation about cancellation has gripped the fanbase. Similar concerns arose after earlier seasons, particularly during times when TLC delayed announcing renewals. This time, however, the anxiety seemed more heightened because Tammy has undergone such a remarkable transformation. Her weight loss surgery, lifestyle changes, and newfound confidence have shifted the narrative of the show dramatically. Once introduced as a woman battling life-threatening obesity and struggling to make consistent progress, Tammy is now being celebrated as an inspiration who has proved skeptics wrong by taking control of her health. For many, her story embodies hope, perseverance, and the raw reality of battling obesity under public scrutiny. The possibility of cancellation has been a sore subject because many fans feel the Slaton sisters' story is far from over. Tammy's personal life, her relationships, and her continued health journey still offer plenty of content that viewers would love to see unfold. Amy Slaton, who has been balancing her life as a mother while navigating personal struggles, also continues to draw interest from audiences who want to see how she manages family, love, and personal growth. The series, in many ways, has become more than just a weight loss show. It's a slice of real life, with all its highs and lows. Beyond the entertainment factor, 1000 LB Sisters has sparked important conversations about body positivity, medical care, and mental health. Tammy's own candor about her health struggles, depression, and criticism from outsiders has resonated with people who relate to similar issues. Cancelling the show at this point, many argue, would leave a gap in reality TV that other programs have yet to fill. Unlike many staged reality series, 1000 LB Sisters has thrived on authenticity, with Tammy and Amy showcasing both vulnerable and empowering moments without sugarcoating the struggles. Industry insiders have also weighed in on the potential reasons TLC might hesitate before officially confirming Annette. Her season. Production costs for reality TV are often lower than scripted shows, but a series like 1000 LB Sisters requires extensive filming across multiple locations, medical involvement, and crew accommodations. Additionally, stars of the show may demand higher pay as the series grows in popularity. Negotiations between networks and stars often delay announcements, fueling rumors of cancellation. Some speculate that Tammy herself, now healthier and more confident, might be in a stronger position to negotiate for better compensation, which could be a behind-the-scenes factor affecting timelines. Still, Tammy's reassurance suggests that something is indeed in the works. Whether it is a full season 8 continuation, a special feature, or even a spin-off focusing on her next chapter, fans now feel confident the Slayton story is not ending. Many are already speculating about potential plotlines. Will Tammy's dating life take center stage? Will viewer get a deeper look at her experiences adjusting to her new body and lifestyle post-surgery? Will Amy's family dynamics and motherhood journey bring new emotional layers to the series? These questions keep the buzz alive as fans wait for official confirmation. In the meantime, Tammy's transformation continues to dominate online discussions. Recent photos and TikTok clips show her radiating confidence in stylish outfits, something that fans could hardly have imagined when the series first began. Her newfound independence, ability to travel, and vibrant personality have become central talking points in the media. This drastic change in her image adds even more anticipation for Season 8, as audiences want to see how she maintains and continues her progress in the long term. While Tammy's words have reassured her fan base, they also highlight the uncertainty that often surrounds reality TV renewals. Networks weigh factors such as ratings, advertising revenue, and public demand before greenlighting new seasons. Given the immense fan engagement that 1000 LB Sisters consistently generates, however, it seems unlikely that TLC would want to let go of one of its most bankable franchises so soon. For now, fans can take comfort in knowing that Tammy Slayton has spoken directly to them and given a clear signal that the journey is not over. Her resilience, combined with the ongoing curiosity about her personal and family life, suggests that the story of the Slayton sisters still has plenty of chapters left to be told. Whether Season 8 delivers the drama, inspiration, and raw honesty that fans expect remains to be seen, but Tammy's silence-breaking statement has reignited excitement. One thing is certain, Tammy Slayton's journey has transcended the boundaries of reality television. Her story has inspired countless individuals facing their own battles, and her willingness to share both the darkest and brightest moments of her life continues to resonate. As Season 8 hangs on the horizon, the world is watching and waiting for what comes next. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.